A motor control center is an electrically enclosed assembly composed of one or more sections, with a common horizontal power bus. MCCs provide monitoring and control for the operation of a collection of electrical loads. When integrated with communications and smart devices, this equipment becomes intelligent, and intelligent MCCs enable actionable insights into the power system. The top three applications of intelligent MCCs are: first, modernizing existing facilities. Use latest technology to remotely monitor and control motor starter units, while facilitating diagnostics and enhancing system reliability. Second, expanding operations for new processes. Adding MCC buckets to existing intelligent MCCs requires less downtime while reducing cost on installation and programming. Third, building new facilities. Intelligent MCCs from the get-go allow end users to gain insights from the startup to full operation stage. Wiring is simplified, communication is clear, and protection of loads gets improved.